Watch this video and learn how to draw this. It's so pretty. Later in the show, we're all gonna sing a song. That's my favorite. Are you ready? Come on, it's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello little artist, I didn't see you there. My name is Artie and this is my show, Artie's Show. Today we're going to do a really fun drawing. Do you want to draw with me? I think you should. It's going to be fun.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's Show!
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
The pleasure is all mine.
Is everybody ready? Should we get creative? I think we should. Okay, it's time to start the art.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that drawing is smoother than a jazz ballad. Doop, ba-doop, joo, ba-doop, ba-doop, doop, doo. Bye.
Keep watching, little artists. It's nearly time for a song. Oh, I love drawing so much. It's so much fun. I hope you're drawing along at home. Okay, it's time to stop for a minute and have a song. Are you ready, little artists? I hope you sing along at home. Here we go.
Well, let's go to the park, it's a sunny day. We'll run and jump and laugh and play. Swings go high, slides go low. And when there's so much fun, wherever we go. Tag, you're it, now chase me fast. Who will reach the big tree last? Sharing toys, we take our turn. Playing together helps us learn. The birds sing songs, the clouds drift by. We wave at the squirrels as they scurry nearby. Let's count the flowers, 1, 2, 3. Nature is so fun to see. Now it's time to say goodbye, but we'll come back soon, oh don't you cry. The park is waiting, it's always true. A place for fun for me and you.
Oh, I could sing all day long, but we have to finish this drawing. Come along. Oh, Artie's getting a little bit tired now. Painty! Oh no! Go away! No, Painty, no! No! Oh. Oh, Painty, you made a big mess everywhere. Ugh, I guess I'll clean it up after we finish the drawing. Oh, this is coming out really nice. I'm finished. Wow, it came out really, really good. Yeah. What should we do now? Oh, I know. Let's color it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
I think I'm finished. Oh, wow, it looks so good now it's finished and it's got some color. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching Artie's show and we hope you come back again. Bye-bye for now and always remember, have an Artie day. Bye.